Mokonyi bw'omutenene bw'eabisi y'omurai bw'ense ya Kenya Eliud Owalo nigo agosereirie gocha komora ekonda omunyakonda oyukwagacha center ya Cancer Center rosagerwa Kisii nyoya tari gocha kwayereria gochaka gukora emirimo bunitakire abatebanga ayuga gocha korekana asinge ncho munyakondo yiga tari gukora emirimo korengana no kuigwana atarachikoegwa ekonda iyo Kisii Cancer Center.
We are not impressed at all as government with the progress on this particular project.
Eyo nengwana yaye omokonyi bw'omuteneri ase eabisi yaye omurai bw'ense omoske Eliud Owalo chingaki atalera amagacho a Kisii Cancer Center ime yebunge nyeri chache county ya Kisii.
So the government can only pay based on certificate. And what is the basis of certification? Certification one is in conformity to the terms and conditions of the contract, is in conformity to whether or not the milestones have been achieved as was envisaged.
Nakorengana nere omunyakonda okwagacha sayo nigo gwikira bono iga atarekerania amagania no koigwana gwekonde iyo nga nonyaga kanire chibesa nabo igo kugania agendere wakanwa chibesa chinde.
On the side of government, our greatest concern is that we have already given out a down payment of 20% and the project overall is only at 6%.
Yakondo yo nigo akanire emerongo ebere igoro yemia yechibeza chonse chiganiriye ase omerobiryo yo na nigo aikiraniriye isano nemo igoro yemia chioka gwikira bono.
We are here dealing with a contractor who is very hostile. We did issue instructions yesterday that the contractor himself should be here on site. He has deliberately decided not to come, and as opposed to that he has sent a representative because he knows very well that His Excellency the President himself had visited this project and he did commit to make fundamental progress on the project and he has failed to do so.
Boigo nigo Owalo amochia omunyakondo yo ase ogotabeka omokia ase mirimo yaye nga gwikira ase atoma omonto omongao kumira nere nga nonya omurai bw'ense omonyene orweto gochika gokwangoigwa kwobwagachi obwo.
And the conclusion we are drawing is that perhaps it's high time the government reviewed its relationship with this contractor and even explored the possibility of getting an exit clause out of that contract and also recommending the blacklisting of the contractor for purposes of being debarred from undertaking government projects in the future.
Amagacha yo nigo abwanarete koba emerongo 5 igoro yemia gwikira bono iga nabo igo nigitambukiro kirachi kwimukigwa elio munyakondo yo kurwa ekonde yo elinde egwe omonto mongao.
As we speak, we have already eaten into 50%, over 50% of the project timeline. Yet the project progress rate is at 6%. And the conclusion we are drawing is that perhaps it's high time the government reviewed its relationship with this contractor and even explored the possibility of getting an exit clause out of that contract and also recommending the blacklisting of the contractor for purposes of being debarred.
Ase e budget yaitiwa yo mwaka bwe 2025 nomo amagacha yo a Cancer Center nigo abekeretu shilingi ebilioni emo.
Given project we have to absorb that money within a given period of time, and the government has got its own budgetary cycle.
Omoske Owalo nigo ale ase orongora gusi ase okorotota amagendero aligendete kwikiranirwa na serikali enene ase litukoli yangyo aranyaka baga gutalera county ya Nyamira. Aroni Ototo Nyaingiri, Getembe TV.